not, I'm sure you'll catch up. This is one of my first videos, and it's going to be a little rough. Forgive me. I'm just cutting my teeth, or as you could say, getting your feet wet. Um, this is a video that I'm not really planning to do a lot of unboxings, but there is a very special reason why I'm doing this, because you'll see as I get through this. So, well, let's just get through with this. Now, first of all, I would just like to say that I had a few packages sent to me by some really cool people, which are kind of well known in the community, and I just thought we would start here by giving them a little bit of credit for being such good people. Now, the first one I had sent to me was from a friend in the community. He goes by Cyanide Cookies, and shipped all the way over here from Australia. And yes, these have been opened because, like a child, I cannot resist. Now, first of all, one of the packages inside one from Cyanide Cookies was this really hard to find, kick-ass CR1M 24-hour Australian ration, Menu G, which I will be in the future doing this, so that's something to look forward to as well. He had sent me these lovely treats. Yes, he did send me another package of chocolate ones, but the wife and daughter eyeballed them and, kind of got a hold of them, so there's really nothing I could do about that, but I did manage to hide these. And I would like to say to Cyanide Cookies, thank you very much for the effort in sending me this, because without you, I probably would have either had to pay a small fortune or, I don't know, never have one. So I'm going to set this aside for right now. And then another one that came in just the other day. This is another person that's well known in the community. Her name is Marilyn, and she kind of popped up into a live chat session with Old Smoky, and decided, we switched emails, and she sent me this lovely box of treats. Yes, this one was open as well. We'll just get rid of that. These are where she works, her business. Inside was a note, and it says, JC sent you some gooey butter cakes for the whole family. This is my mom's recipe. Hope you like both. Marilyn Ann. Thank you very much, Marilyn. Anything with butter in it is a friend of mine. As well, she sent me a couple Canadian IMPs. We have a 2018 Menu 15 Poutine, which I've never had poutine, but I'm sure this will be lovely. Another one to look forward to. As well, the 2018 Menu 16 Spaghetti and Meatballs. Who doesn't know spaghetti and meatballs? It's mine and my children's favorite. I can't help it. Who doesn't like some balls, huh? And without any knowing to what else was going to be sent, she sent me these. A couple, let's get rid of this box. A couple gooey cakes. We have a pumpkin, as well as a mom's traditional, which I am definitely excited to try these out, and I think we will. I'm going to save the pumpkin one. It says that with these can be put in the freezer for a month. I don't think it's going to last that long in a month, but this one we're going to try right now. This is another one that my wife and daughter has just been googly-eyed over. So let's do it. no fancy knives here, just the good old scissors. Make everybody jealous. Wow. This is gooey. Tell me that doesn't look delicious. I know it does to me. Beyond delicious. It smells wonderful. Yes. Very flaky. Tell me that doesn't look beautiful. I know it does to me. Yep. Extremely flaky. Really rich. Yeah. Definitely, I'm going to be a returning customer for this. I don't know if you can see that well, but it has everything you want for treats and is extremely rich. And I would dare say that this would definitely, as it popped all over the table here, would definitely be something worthwhile, maybe heating up in the microwave. Very good. But this comes from Miss Marilyn, and she's a great person, great soul, and as well has been on Food Network, Travel Channel. When Andrew Zimmer's there, you know it's got to be good. But I just wanted to do this because I know an unboxing can be kind of boring, a little bit of a tease. But yeah, these people out there are great people in the community. It's a great community to be a part of, as well as, you know, you get a bit of a, maybe like a little bit of an understanding or a taste to be able to go around and taste these military rations that are from other countries. Now they're not definitely the exact meals and types of foods that you would be there if you ate, like say, at a restaurant or someone's home there. But these are all their homeland foods and their comfort foods that they're trying to give to their soldiers to, you know, to make things feel, you know, not so crappy while they're out there serving. And if you've never, you know, if your menu is just like Chef Boyardee or McDonald's or whatever else, this will give you an opportunity to kind of get a taste of it. And what can I say? I'm looking forward to trying these, and I hope that, you know, you will come back and watch more videos and share the experience with me, as well as, you know, maybe it'll pique an interest and you'll go and watch other reviewers out there, because trust me, there's quite a few of them out there, and quite a few of them are just outstanding at, you know, at putting these out there and describing them to you so you can have a better understanding of what what it is, and you never know, you might even want to try some yourself. So I look forward to more videos in the future and sharing them with you. And I want to say to Marilyn and Cyanide Cookies, thank you very much for doing this, and to those in the ration community. Um, I'm sure you're gonna laugh at me for this, for my roughness, but whatever. It's the best I can do for now. And with your critique, I'm sure you'll help me become a better viewer too. So on that note, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the future.